Hey guys, how are we doing? Crypto Insight UK here, bringing you back another video. So as you can see straight away, we're looking at XRP. I'm going to talk about a few things in this video. XRP potentially creating a bullish pennant here. It's a continuation pattern. We've had this large rise into the pennant and hopefully a breakout. Looks a bit like this. Look, obviously we're breaking up and then we go like this. Oh, that's a really bad drawing. So we just break up and then you go like this. That's how the continuation pattern of a bullish pennant works. Should we break to the upside? I think it's about a 61% chance that you do break to the upside. But obviously also depending massively on what Bitcoin's doing, which is in an ascending triangle. Kind of similar pattern as well, especially when you're in a momentum. So if we're trading to the upside, I presume Bitcoin continues. The breakout target of this pattern would be about $102,000. So Bitcoin could lead the way here to over $100,000, which would be insane. Imagine if, like in the next few days, Bitcoin gets like a 10%-ish pump, the market will probably go crazy, or Bitcoin will suck in liquidity and alts will kind of sit still. It's one of the things I've been looking at as well is Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance sitting at 60 still. Bitcoin dominance is this high and XRP is at $1.10. It's a very good sign if you're an altcoin holder, or especially if you're an XRP holder, because Bitcoin hasn't really given away any of its dominance and altcoins are still doing pretty well. Meaning, and like we talked about yesterday, that we're probably at all-time high for total market cap of crypto. And I'm going to take these drawings off. As you can see, we're currently sitting above the previous all-time high. We think yesterday we had the daily close. Let's have a look exactly where that came in. We might have had the highest ever daily close yesterday. Have a look while we're live streaming. The highest ever daily close for sure, but the daily close wasn't quite above the wick there. Let me just make sure that's accurate. I've got so many drawings on here. Where is my line here? Okay, that's accurate now. Let's see if we got that daily close. Literally bang on the highest ever wick we had, but the highest daily close for sure was yesterday. So that's very interesting. One thing I've just talked about this morning over there on X is Total 2 doing a Wyckoff accumulation. We came down preliminary support and then bounced for the automatic rally, secondary test, last point of support, started to push out, sign of strength. Came back, we're like back testing on top of the previous range now and looking to break out. If we take off the Wyckoffs, if I can get rid of that just so I can show you then now on Fib retracements. We are battling Fibonacci retracement levels here, and if we get a breaker then we're looking towards 5.8 trillion for the market cap of crypto without Bitcoin. So that's definitely something to be watching there. These are things that I'm watching right now and I'm watching them like a hawk. I personally do actually have a trade open on XRP right now. If you want to trade, I am an affiliate with MEXC, so I'll put their link in the description below. I'm going to share that take profit when I want to take profit. I've been holding that trade open since about 55 cents. I haven't really told anyone about that, but I got in it at like 55 cents, which I think is like here, somewhere like here. Yeah, it's looking quite nice right now. So let's see how that finishes. As I said, like I'm not giving too much more info about that yet. As you guys know, I think XRP, we hit our short-term breakout target, and then normally XRP does catch momentum, and we're sort of just sitting here waiting to see if we're going to get this continuation on this bull pennant. But I also think it actually relies on Bitcoin too. Bitcoin dumps out below this trend line, then alts probably dump too, unless alts start to take some Bitcoin liquidity, but we haven't really seen a suggestion of that yet. XRP against Bitcoin is probably one of the most important charts in the space right now, in my opinion. XRP is banging its head against this resistance level for Bitcoin. And previously, if we go on the weekly time frame, when we break this line, which we haven't actually done, but when we get like a big acceleration of something similar in previous cycles, it's where XRP starts to go pretty mad against Bitcoin itself. So are we teeing up for something like that? I think it's definitely possible. But are we there yet? No, nothing confirmed as of right now. I'd like to see us break out and start to get some closes above like this sort of level, and then we're flying. Maybe that comes very soon. That's what I'm looking for, I'm hoping for. But also, the larger the market cap of crypto goes, the higher XRP can go in terms of price action over time. ETH versus XRP is also a very interesting level, banging its head against the top of a range currently. I genuinely think XRP is going to push on hard. It's just when this next push comes. We've broken some key resistance. We've been consolidating for absolutely ages. In fact, I tweeted about it yesterday. I'm going to show you. We consolidated for over 1,000 days in a range, pushed out, and people aren't used to what happens when we get a consolidation and breakout like 1,078 days range break, and then we're looking for another range break of the 2,000-day range. And there's a saying that says the longer the base, the higher in space, and this is where things could go absolutely crazy for XRP. Imagine this is just like a coiled spring. I'm going to give you a bit of a visualization of like what I'm seeing. So like you're a coiled spring, it's getting tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter, and then eventually, boom, it pops out, and that's why I think we could do something mental like that in a very short period of time. Bollinger Bands kind of tell you that same thing, that's why I brought them up. And I actually just looked yesterday, accidentally, on the 12-month candles for XRP. And if you take us to the 12-month, so it's obviously year candles, this thing looks like it's about to get absolutely sendy. Absolutely sendy. There's nothing telling me that this can't get up to like between your $13 to $16. I think 12 to 17, somewhere in that range. Everything's pointing that it can do that. So that's basically where I'm sitting for XRP specifically. I also do think that if we do start to get a lot of retail coming in, some will probably go to meme coins. I posted a tweet about memes this morning. I know the memes have been a bit dead recently on XRP, but as soon as we start to get that DEX screener integration, it was supposed to be here last week, and retail keep coming as they have literally been searching for XRP quite a lot over the last few days, even more than Bitcoin. It even seems people will probably start to trade memes on the ledger. That's what I think. And if that happens, then memes should do pretty well. So again, I've got a link for that in the description if you want to have a little look at memes on the XRPL. Remember, don't like gamble your whole bag. Like it is literally a casino in there. But definitely have a look if you're interested in that sort of thing. So that's what I want to leave you with. I think XRP, well, this is a continuation pattern, especially when you come up into a bull pennant like this. It's a continuation pattern. Let's see if we can break out to the upside. That'd be great if we could, and it gives a price target of around 147. And I'll update you there, guys, I guess. Fingers crossed. Hit that subscribe button. Share this video. Let me know below if you are seeing something similar or seeing something completely different. I think, again, though, it does depend on how US markets are trading. If the US markets open green today, and then I think that we can fade some bad price action, but it does seem to be that crypto is kind of trading along with the US markets. And one final thing, gold has came back and hit the target area on the nose that I've been writing about in the newsletter for weeks. If you want to check out the newsletter, I'm going to there's a link to that in my description as well. It's completely free. It's where I give my more macro overview of what's going on in the markets. And I'll get into some more macro stuff in the next few videos. But because XRP has been doing what it's doing and trending so violently, I've wanted to cover that a lot more. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Please do share with a friend and hit the sub if you don't already. Peace up, A-Town down, as Crypto Insight UK would say.